founding of Icebergh all started with simple exposure to AI. I was speaking at a cloud computing conference in Columbus, Ohio, and the keynote speech that day was giving a presentation on the powerful capabilities of AI and machine learning. Now, I'd been working in cloud computing for a few years at this point, but I never really had a reason to dive in and see the powerful tools that AI had. So when her presentation started, and I started seeing AI correctly identify age and emotion, and picking out logos and reading text, I was blown away. I knew these things were capable, but watching them happen was really inspiring. So the rest of the conference, all I wanted to do was learn more about AI and figure out how I could be a part of this. At the end of the conference, the organizers got up on stage and said that in a few days, everyone would get a link to a survey. Tell them about how you felt about the conference. Was the venue good? How about each speaker? Could you leave some comments? Well, as a speaker, I was really looking forward to receiving comments. I wanted to know how I could improve for next time, if all my preparation worked, if I connected with my audience. And so I was thinking about what else I was going to write in my survey for the other speakers. And it was just a few hours later, I was sitting in the hotel, thinking about all of my different speeches that I went to, and I realized things were already a little cloudy. Was it the first speech or the third speech that made the joke about AI disruption? Was it the last speaker or the second to last speaker that was talking about cloud computing growth? And at lunch, did I have the turkey or did I have the ham? Because at that moment, everything clicked. I was thinking about how nice it would have been to have on-site immediate feedback, to record my thoughts when they happened, and my mind was already wrapped around AI and machine learning. And these things met. And I did the very startup thing, and I grabbed a napkin, started sketching out what would become the first blueprint of Icebergh. Started thinking about how this could work in certain industries, of course, events and conferences, giving immediate feedback to speakers and organizers. How could this work in retail to provide a powerful edge against the data that e-commerce has? How could this work in hospitality, transportation, any place where customer service is so crucially important and on-site feedback could be that competitive edge? That's where it all started. And of course our platform has grown a little bit since that napkin sketch, but it's still under the same idea. On-site, immediate customer feedback is crucial. Demographics make that data actionable. And while people don't want to sit around answering a bunch of demographic questions, you want to get right to the point on those important questions of how we can improve. How was your experience? AI can do the rest. And that's the power of Icebergh. Many of our direct competitors don't use artificial intelligence at the point of data collection. Those who do use AI are mostly using it for data processing, for predictive analytics, and to identify trends. Icebergh is different in that we use AI right at the point of data collection and continuously through our data processing. The truth is that customer surveys are still largely untouched by the digital revolution. In many ways, we still compete with emailed survey links and those surveys that are on the back of your receipts at the grocery store. There are many tools out there that can help customer experience through AI and machine learning. Rather than being competitors of ours, those are all more of a holistic approach to improving and understanding your customer experience. Icebergh is the only tool that can do on-site immediate customer feedback, powered by AI, and provide actionable insights. Icebergh, used in collaboration with many other AI and machine learning tools, work together as a holistic approach to improving customer satisfaction, improving customer feedback, and gaining valuable, actionable insights. The vision that drives this is simple. Build a platform that drastically improves customer experience and customer satisfaction. The team at Icebergh is dedicated to constant innovation on this single goal. We know that it takes a lot more than a single survey to improve customer relations, but we also know that providing people with the ability to share their feedback and businesses with actionable insights are all small steps towards a much larger goal. We truly believe that Icebergh is a game changer, providing businesses and organizations with data that never used to be available. And for customers, providing a platform for them to share their feedback immediately and actually have that feedback heard is invaluable in creating loyal, long-standing customers. We invite you to learn more about Icebergh. You can visit discoverice.com and see what we're doing and how we can help impact your industry. Thank you.